Viewers, Ethiopian Prime Minister Office made important claims. First claim is about Gashina. Prime Minister Office claimed now Gashina is under the control of Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara's forces. They claimed that Arbit and Dabko, which are located in the surrounding areas of Gashina, have also been taken by Ethiopian army and Amhara's forces. Viewers, remember, this is the official statement of Ethiopian Prime Minister Office. Yesterday, Abiy Ahmed was seen in Amhara region and made an important claim about Gashina town. Intense fighting was also underway between Tigray Defense Force and Ethiopian National Defense Force along with Amhara's forces in and around Gashina. After the intense fighting, Ethiopian National Defense Force along with allies took control of Gashina town and two other small towns located in west and north of Gashina. Yesterday, I have reported if Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara's forces succeed in taking control of Gashina, then their next target would be Lalibela. Now several reliable sources are reporting that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are leaving Lalibela, Kombolcha and Dessie. Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers have reached the surrounding areas of Lalibela and Kombolcha. Tigray Defense Force is reportedly withdrawing from Lalibela, Kombolcha and Dessie without any fight. Here's question arises, why they are leaving without fight? Whether it is a strategy of Tigray Defense Force or they are not in a position to fight against Ethiopian army and allies. Whereas Tigray Defense Force did not issue any statement in this regard so far. Whereas the conflict took a sharp turn about a month ago when Tigrayan forces claimed to have captured the strategic town of Dessie and Kombolcha, located on a key highway to Addis Ababa. Now Tigray Defense Force is reportedly withdrawing from these cities. Because the Ethiopian government is also claiming that its forces recaptured Shivarobit, which was claimed by Tigray fighters last week. Government spokesman Legesse Tolo said Shivarobit was among several small towns retaken by Ethiopia's army and regional forces. Before this control, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army were advancing towards Addis Ababa. As per reports, they had reached to the surrounding areas of Debre Birhan. Now their movement towards Addis Ababa will be stopped. Viewers, as Ethiopian National Defense Force and Afar forces have already taken control of Shifra, about which Abiy Ahmed had claimed, as per latest reports, after Shifra, Ethiopian National Defense Force and Afar forces are heading towards Bati and Valdia. They have also taken control of Chiftu and Alelu Sulula. It means Ethiopian National Defense Force and Afar forces are advancing towards Valdia. Viewers, after the statement of Mr. Abiy Ahmed that he would head to the war front to lead soldiers battling rebels, Ethiopian National Defense Force along with allies is making gains continuously. Now let's see Tigray Defense Force succeed in retaking control of these towns or not. Viewers, for more latest reports, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.